Tuberculosis, or TB, remains one of the world's deadliest infectious diseases. Despite being preventable and curable, it still affects millions every year. Understanding TB is the first step toward protecting yourself and your family. What causes TB? TB is caused by a bacterium called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It spreads through the air when a person with active TB coughs, sneezes, or even speaks. You don't get it from shaking hands, sharing food, or touching surfaces. Latent versus active TB. Not everyone infected becomes sick. In latent TB, the bacteria remain inactive in the body, no symptoms, no contagion. But if the immune system weakens, latent TB can reactivate into active TB, which is both symptomatic and contagious. Common symptoms. Active TB usually attacks the lungs, causing a persistent cough that lasts 3 weeks or longer, often with bloody sputum. Other symptoms include chest pain, unintentional weight loss, fatigue, fever, and night sweats. Diagnosis. Doctors diagnose TB using several methods. The Mantoux tuberculin skin test or a blood test, IGRA, can detect infection. Chest X-rays and sputum tests confirm active disease. Rapid molecular tests like GeneSpurt are now standard in many places. Treatment and cure. TB is curable with a standard 6-month course of antibiotics. The most common regimen includes isoniazid, rifampin, ethambutol, and pyrazinamide. Strict adherence is crucial. Stopping early can lead to drug-resistant TB, which is far harder to treat. Drug-resistant TB and prevention. Multi-drug-resistant TB, MDR-TB, is a growing threat. It requires longer treatment with more toxic drugs. Prevention relies on early diagnosis, completing treatment, improving ventilation, and using masks when caring for infectious patients. The BCG vaccine offers partial protection, especially for children. Tuberculosis is not a disease of the past, but with awareness, timely testing, and consistent treatment, we can end it. Protect your family by knowing the signs, supporting those on treatment, and advocating for better access to care. Together, we can breathe easier.